This is foundation training. This is the very first thing that we're looking at. And the idea is to help your dog learn that his front feet and his back feet can do two different things. One can be on the book and one on the surface. And so the idea is to get them to go on. Now, he knows how to do this already, so I'll show you the way you'll do it with your dog. You want to guide them on with the cookie. Lure them, and then once their feet are on, or one foot is on, and then you can increase the number of feet. Once they get 2 feet on, try to always have them do 2 feet on. Then you want 3 cookies. Now the idea next is for them to come off on the side that you bring them on. So here's my hand. Okay. Once you say okay, and you bring them to a side, you want them to go to that side. You don't want them going to the other side or somewhere else. Okay, so 1 cookie, 2 cookies, and you could just pop their nose and, okay. Best if you can try to bring them off with a cookie so that they pay attention to you when they're done. You don't want them wandering about, and if they wander about, they don't get a cookie. They only get a cookie when they come off if they come with you. Now, to graduate that, to graduate that, we have now a wobbly surface. This is an exercise ball, and this wobbles around, and so now we want them to understand that that surface might not really necessarily be stable, like in a teeter-totter. Okay. Feet. Now, I don't want you using the word because he knows the word. I want you just guiding them on like this. Wait. You just guide them on. Just lure them on with the cookie. Feed them the 2 or 3 cookies, and then and then they'll come right with you. You want to get really, really good at that. Don't use the word. That if you use the word, it just is gone. It doesn't mean anything to them because they don't understand what the word means. So in the meantime, just guide them onto and lure them on with the treat. And we'll talk more about it in the class. If you have a chance to practice this with your dog before your first class, that would be terrific.